guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video we are going to be diving into the February Boxycharm. If you're interested and you want to find out what I got in this month's box, then just keep on watching. So if you guys don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly box subscription. It's $21.99 per month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. I've been having Boxycharm since November of last year, and all the products that I've gotten are all full size, and I've been using them in my daily routine. So the theme of the box is Afterglow, and in here we have all these products. The first product that I got is the Sol de Janeiro moisturizer. Coco Cabana cream instantly transforms dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into the softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. Its oil-in-one gel cream texture kisses the body with a cocoa butter blend and fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to dewy. Oh, you can really smell the vanilla latte. It smells like, ooh. It smells a lot like pralines. Let's try this out. So it's very thick. It definitely feels hydrating on the skin. Wow, you can really smell the vanilla latte. It smells a lot like toasted coconut. Me personally, I don't really like smells that smell like food, so I'm not really sure if I'm going to be using this cream, but it does feel very soft on the skin. It feels very hydrating. So you get that in your Boxycharm, and this retails for $20. I'll probably be gifting this to someone just because the smell isn't for me. But other than that, if it would have smelled like neutral, I would have used it. So the next item that we have in here is the Poreblem Primer, and it's from Touch and Soul. This creates a seamless canvas for your foundation with the new Touch and Soul No Poreblem Primer. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holds on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. And this retails for $18, guys. When I was putting this in, I noticed that it really settled like into my pores, because I have pores around my nose and around my cheeks. That's where I get most of my pores. I was rubbing in the product, really settled in. It gave me like a little silky texture. When it settled in, it dried really quickly, and I'm actually kind of liking this. So the next item that we have in here is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. This allows your skin to capture the light in any room you walk into with its unique velvet smooth highlighter. Infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, pearlescent pigments, this highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness, and this retails, guys, for $32. You get a lot of gold reflexing, so I'm assuming it's going to be very pretty when you push it up into the light and you get like that nice little sun-kissed glow. So the next item that we have is the Nudestix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, and this is in the color Copper Foil. This retails for $24. This Nudestix is a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. The Nudestix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color is the ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes the eyelids for an all-day waterproof wear to ensure the nude glam lasts. So this pencil just glides on right in the eye. It was super easy to blend. I also smudged it under my eyeline.
So the last item that we have is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this retails for $24. Indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex separates, coats, and curls each lash to a voluptuous perfection.
So if you add in the total for my Boxycharm for this month, the grand total is $118 versus the $21 that I paid just for the subscription. Well guys, that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. I upload on my channel every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I would love to have you a part of the CC fam. Bye.